What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the place to be channel, Big Boss ENT. We're gonna do a little bit something different today. We got a drop from Reebok. Let's check it out. All right, so besides video games, you know, I've been into sneakers for a long time, probably about the same amount of time. Now I was doing a little, you know, just browsing around on the internet. I found out that they actually had these. Totally blew my mind. They actually, it seems like Reebok never announces any kind of like drop at all. Like, you really got to be digging around. That's totally different than Jordan brand. But y'all seen in the thumbnail anyways. What we got right here. There we go. Pump it up. Yeah, the Reebok pumps, custom fit, colorway. So this is my size 12. Pump Omni Zone 2. Color is chalk and a bunch of other. I wouldn't even know how to even say any of that. I know it's like vector or something, vector blue, whatever one. But inside the box, let's check it out. I've seen a few reviews on these, so it's not exactly the first one to do the unveiling, but yeah, these are sweet. So these have a little bit of a, should I say, more of a vintage retro vibe, like you almost cracked open a pair of dead stock from '91. Let's see. So instead of like a pure white, they're more of a slightly toned down, kind of have like a blue hue, blue tint to the white. Goes well with the navy blue in there. And if you can see the what is that? See, instead of it being orange, it'd be kind of like a more of like, you know, weathered, you know, year. I don't even know how to word that, but you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, there's the pump mechanism right there. There we go. I think y'all can hear that, right? And I believe this is the release valve. Yep. So yeah, you can tell right here, hexalite on the bottom. People say it's not real hexalite, so I'm not really 100% sure. All I do is know is I have a few Reeboks and they do feel pretty good. Take these up here. Goes Reebok basketball. Comes with a key, you know, little keychain, you know, hang tab here. It says Reebok introduced the pump technology in 1989. It provided the ultimate in a custom fit and support system. Right on, right? So yeah, we're gonna do a little on feet, and I mean, just from looking at it, I'm already happy. So let's check it out.